Hello everyone. We will discuss one more interesting point called defect. What is meant by defect? Okay. See, defect, right? Defect is nothing but when it's a defect definition when expected value and actual value is not matching, then we call it as a defect. Right? As a defect. See, what is meant by defect means, see, normally no, so expected value, we are expecting this value, actual value is coming from the application, right? So when these two meets, no, then we don't call it as defect. When these two values are not matching, then we call it as a defect. Okay. Or one more definition we can say, when the application is not meeting the requirements or requirement specifications, we call it as a defect or defect. Okay. So in the application, you see, in the requirement, no, they will say, so this point should be there. But when we are on the application is not matching the requirement, no, then we call it as a defect. Suppose now normally, see, we'll take example Amazon application. So I will say, so in the requirement, no, they will be specifying there should be Amazon logo in the login screen. See, Amazon logo in the login screen. So this is coming from they have mentioned this one in the requirements. Okay, Amazon application, Amazon logo should be available in the login screen. Not only the Amazon, any application should have logo in the login screen. So this is my expected. It is coming from the requirements, right? This is my expected. After developers developing the application, no, we need to see this requirement. No, we will create a test case, right? You are trying to execute the test case. Your test case, no, you are running your test case means, so Amazon logo should appear in the login screen. So this is my expected. Actual, no, what it is happening? Actual, the logo is not there in the login screen. Then expected actual values are not matching. Then we can call it as a defect. I hope you understood, guys. So who is responsible for defect? So defect created by QA, not testers. I think this is very